Well, well, well. Who decided to pick up their iPhone and record? Fail. Dun dun dun. Practice knife. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, Brody Toms, my picture is a picture of a goat. My stepdad's goat. I'm gonna be posting some pics and maybe some videos. And maybe I'll go on Musical.ly and do some tricks with it. Then I'll post it on Instagram. Yeah. So yeah. It's hard to do it laying down though. We was all getting combs. All of us are getting combs, but only my brother's comb came in. So, can't wait to show you mine once mine comes in. I'm still learning to do that. I forgot what it's called, but you throw them in the air like this, and then it lands like this. Still learning to do it.
Video about your knife?
Yeah, you show them your comb.
Yeah, I
That's
got a better one that's a CSGO knife.
Yeah, but his is like very heavy. This one's.
No, let me show him how I do. Let me show him how you really do it, though.
I'm learning that trick. But you guys.
The Zen roll over.
Yeah, that's a comb. I'm getting a blue one. He has a red one.
Because he likes blue.
Why not? I was gonna get a black one, but actually, no, I did. I'm getting a fully black one. I think. Yeah, fully black.
Who's getting what?
Black and yellow, black and yellow. Muscle. I don't know why I said muscle. So, bye-bye, guys. Check out my Instagram. Check out my Facebook. I have two. But, you know, one with a yellow emoji face, one with my face in gray and black. So, see ya. There we go. Bye.